What's up, guys? It's your boy Scotty 88, Scott the OG, Scotty. I go by a lot of different names, but the reason we're here today is because I'm about to do the Audi mod on my Genesis Coupe here, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Cause I have been looking online, I haven't found a video that's actually told you exactly how to do it, so I'm gonna tell you exactly how it's done. Yeah, so let's get right into it. You know, first things first, you know, you make your way to your trunk. You unlock it. Don't mind all the shit that's in my trunk. Then you come over here and you take off this. Not hard to take off. And then I'm gonna go get the bolt size or the I lost 2 screws. Oops. I'm gonna go find the wrench that you need. Okay, I found the socket. You need an 11 millimeter. You need an 11. I tried a 10, it didn't really fit. An 11 fits, but since I already loosened all mine and I never tightened back up from when I tried to do it the first time, I'm gonna take off the screws or the bolts and then place those right there. You probably want to place them in a better spot so you don't lose them, because you definitely don't want to lose tail light around here. So I gotta go find 2 more bolts I can put on here after I'm done, so I have all 4. But since that's it, literally just that didn't sound good, but it slides out. Ooh, I forgot a step. How I forget a step? Look at me in a rush. Now we made our way back to the garage. Now you have your tail light out of your car. Let's figure out what it is that we're gonna be doing. So I'm gonna place it on here. It doesn't look like it's gonna scratch it up too bad. You should have this little rubber part separating the tail light and the car. You peel this back. This is for the left side of the car. Yeah, the left side of the car if you're standing at the back. And okay, with it flipped over, you want to cut right here. You see, I already tried. I tried with the knife and we just kept lighting it on fire and like heating it up like the hot knife, like a 1,000 degree knife thing. Tried to cut into it. We got pretty far, but it just wasn't cutting it. So the actual tool that you're going to need is a Dremel. So I'm gonna go grab that right quick. Okay, after cutting a bigger hole than I thought I was gonna have to cut, because at first it was like, well, you saw how big it was. It was only like that big, and I couldn't see the blue wire in there. But you need to cut. Let me see if it is focus on it. That blue wire right there next to the pink one is a blue, right there next to the pink. I'm about to pull it out so you can see it better, but that's the wire you need to cut on the left brake light to get the Audi mod. So I'm using these tweezers to get it because my fat fingers won't fit in there to grab it. So let me grab that right quick. Okay, so I pulled it out a little bit more. You should be able to see it a little bit more. I don't know why it's not focusing, but that blue wire right there, we're just going to take some wire cutters, which I have these fat ones, which I doubt are going to fit in there, and we're going to cut the wire. So I'm going to let you know when the wire's cut, and then yeah, that's it. Okay, the blue wire has been cut. I'm pretty sure that's cut. That is a cut wire right there. And yeah, that's how you cut the left one. Now to patch up this hole, I don't know what you have to do. I've seen somebody melt it back on there. I don't know if, it doesn't seem like a fucking good idea to leave this exposed with that right there. So I'm gonna figure out a solution to cover that up. But yeah, in the meantime, I'm just gonna leave that how it is right now, because I'm in Arizona. There's like no moisture here, so I don't think I have to worry too much. But I am going to patch that hole up. So I ended up having to take this off, so I had to cut right here. It was too close to the wire. I didn't want to cut these, so put that back, and then you put this back. You put everything back pretty much, and you gotta do something with that hole. That hole can't stay there. Okay, so this is what the original, you can't really tell in the daytime. I'm gonna do another one tonight, but that's the original. And then this is the Audi with just the outside ring lit up, which is exactly what I want. So cutting the blue wire worked. And just gotta do this side now. And then literally that's it. Gotta patch up that hole though. And besides that, it looks really good. I like it. Yes, sir. Tools you're gonna need: wire cutters. And don't laugh at my makeshift workshop over here. I use these to pull off the plastic that I cut. You don't need these. It's just what I'm using. A flathead. You probably want one smaller than this so you can dig out the blue wire if you can't get to it that easily. And the most important tool, you can get this at Walmart for like $20-ish, is I got the Hyper Tough, but you know, it's pretty much like a Dremel, where you're gonna, the attachment that I'm using is a cutoff wheel right here. You know, I'll show you guys me actually cutting it so you see it in action, instead of me just, you know, it being, I show you this and then, oh, it's done. I'm gonna show you how it's done. But this $20, $25, $30 max. You don't need anything too expensive, and that's all you need. All these 4 tools, and all to put everything back. The plastic that you cut, keep the plastic that you cut. Like the hole that you cut, keep that, because you're gonna have to get some. You're gonna have to get something to seal it back up. I heard epoxy, silicone, all types of stuff. You can use anything to seal up, but if you live especially in moist climates where it rains all the time, you're definitely gonna want that. You don't want your motherboard being fried because of moisture, so definitely seal that back up. I am not going to do it just yet. I live in Arizona. It doesn't rain like that, nor is it moist. I don't really have to worry right now, so I can do it later. And plus, I lost the plastic anyways that goes to the left tail light, so I have to makeshift something to go over that hole. I'm going to keep the plastic for this so I can do the silicone and seal it back up. So you guys will see all of that in a second. I'm about to go get another cutoff wheel because you obviously saw that one was broken, so I can get started on this. Okay, I got the cutoff wheel replaced. Brand new cutoff wheel. Now I'm about to get started. I'm about to put this to the side. Again, same thing with this. You have this little foam separating the plastic from the metal. You want to go ahead and lift this up. Don't rip it if you can help it. Oh, doing exactly what I just said not to do. It's cool. Peel that back. Oh my god, I'm ripping it. It's not what I want to happen. See, I'm doing this for the first time. I'm just helping y'all. So when y'all do it for the first time, y'all know what y'all doing. Okay, and we're gonna completely remove this for now. Sorry if my camera angles are pretty bad. I don't have a tripod right now. I will get one soon. You know, don't know when, but okay. Now I'm gonna come back right quick so I can have exactly where you're supposed to cut. Okay, so you want to turn it red side down here. Turn it like this to where you see these little thingamajiggers, and you're gonna be cutting right in this area right here, right along here. Cutting right there. You're gonna cut this off. So you're gonna see me cut this. Well, you're not gonna see me cut it because again, I don't have a tripod or anybody to hold the camera. I could try to set it up somewhere, but we'll see. But I'll come back with this cut, and I'm gonna show you guys where the blue wire is at, and you cut it, and then that's it. So let me go ahead and get to cutting. Okay, the hole has been smoked. Let me see if I can zoom out slow. Okay, but now the hole is right there, and you can perfectly, let me turn my flash on so you guys can see a little bit more. You kind of have to do stuff when the sun goes down here in Arizona. It's just too hot in the daytime. Okay, so as you can see, let me see, where's the blue wire? There it is. Let me see if I can get it to focus. Boom, blue wire, just like that. So you want to isolate that blue wire right there, and blah blah. It's cut, and then you got the Audi Mod for this. But keep the plastic that you cut. Keep the plastic that you cut. This shit's hot. Keep the plastic that you cut, because it has to go back on there the way it came off, and seal it back up with some silicone sealer. And boom, wow, just like that. This project costs like what, no more than like $30-something, if that. And then boom, you got Audi Mod. You don't gotta go buy the spec detail lights. I want them, but I like this better, so I'm going with this. So I'm gonna hit you guys back up. I'm gonna pick the camera back up when I cut that blue wire right there. And boom, boom, just like that. Wire is cut. You know, you can get all surgical and all, you know, technical with everything, and seal those two connectors up with some electrical tape, but I feel like that's just too close of a space to deal with. I'm definitely going to move them away from each other so they're, you know, they can never touch again. But that's pretty much it. You know, seal this thing back up. But just for this video's sake, I'm just going to put it back in the car and show you what it looks like. Since the sun is going down, you should see it a little bit better. And that's pretty much the Audi Mod right there. So I'm gonna put this back in the car and then get with you from there. Okay, it's back in there now for the grand reveal. If you can see it at night anyways, or it's not at night, it's and it worked. Audi Mod is complete. I don't know why it's showing like really bright right there. It's definitely normal in real life. I guess it's just like the reflection of the silver down here, or the whatever that chrome is down there is making it. But this Audi Mod, so dope. I love it. I love it so much more. Love it so much better than the regular tails. That's nice. I like that. I like that. I wish it was like I wish it was like where it was like this when it's running, and then when you break this lit up. But it's fine, it's whatever. But Audi Mod is complete, it's done. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial and want me to continue to do more work on my car, because this has a long way to go. I'm just now starting on getting auto modifications. Just recently got exhaust. I'll do an exhaust video at some point in time. But if you definitely enjoyed this, drop a like, comment, subscribe, share, you know, all the things that you're supposed to, that, you know, people want you to do. Definitely like this video, because I'm trying to get more well known out here in the Phoenix area and the West area. So again, if you like this tutorial, show some love, and I'll be back with another video. I probably just kind of, you know, whatever. I'm out.